Hi guys, welcome back to My Quirky Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a very easy Til Papdi wafer recipe. So without any further ado, let's get started. For this recipe you will need some powdered sugar, til or sesame seeds, powdered peanuts, some ghee, and some water. Guys, this recipe is so easy. The only thing you have to do is mix all the ingredients together and that's it. Mix all the ingredients together till you get a flowy consistency like this. Place a silicone mat or butter paper on a baking tray and pour small blobs of the mixture on the mat. Make sure you keep enough distance between two blobs because these are going to spread out while baking. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. You can also cook this on a non-stick pan but on a slow flame until the mixture turns slightly golden brown. Once the Til Papdi has cooled down, you can remove it from the pan. The Til Papdi wafer is now ready, but you can also give it a nice shape with a cutter. Or make Til Papdi rolls when the Papdi wafers are still slightly warm. I hope you liked this quick, easy and quirky Til Papdi wafer recipe. Do give it a try and let me know how it works out for you in the comment section below. Wish you all a very happy Makar Sankranti. Thank you so much for watching My Quirky Kitchen. Do like, share and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.